So we are moving out our agency website from WordPress to Astro. And I'm recording this video because it might help someone whoever is using WordPress for the websites, for the content websites, not the web apps or not the learning management system. I'm just talking about the content websites, which my agency website is for. So this is the agency website which we have currently right now, and we have 600 plus blogs, and we have really good traffic coming in our WordPress website. But it loads really slow. And here and there, it gets malware attack and the security becomes an issue. And whenever it gets the attack, sometimes it goes down and our SEO ranking is really hurt, right? And this has become a nightmare because of the plugins and the security and all of that fluff which WordPress comes with. We don't need that anymore. So the WordPress we chose because of the reason that it was very easy to add it. You just go to the backend and you can edit the pages and you can add the blog posts. That made sense because not everyone knows how to code. My content team does not know how to code. If they want to add the blog posts, they can easily go to the WordPress dashboard and add the content. But now, after the AI era, that's no longer a problem. My video editor can also do the code just by prompting to Claude. And coding has just now become prompting. That's why we are moving to Astro, which is super fast. So that's the layout. It's currently under progress. Me and my team will be launching this soon. And it loads very fast. So if I move on any of the other page, it just loads instantly. And we currently have moved like 70-80% of the pages into Astro, and it's moving really fast. And the images comes with by default lazy loading, and it does not ship any extra JavaScript. So it will give a lot of boost to our SEO, and that is the page speed score which we are getting from the Astro. So it's almost 100, and we haven't yet optimized it. We haven't done anything. All we have done is just added a template and added the content, and it's working super fast. It's not the case with the WordPress. So with the WordPress, even we add a lot of different WordPress, Cloudflare CDN or any other paid CDN, it's still gonna take a lot of time to load, more than 4 seconds, because we have a huge website with a lot of content and a lot of images. So for me, it is a no-brainer to move to Astro because now everyone can code. My content team can add blog posts without knowing how to code. They can do all of that stuff now because of the code democracy which has been happening. So previously there were only 3% of the people who knew how to code, but now everyone can code using Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT. Anyone can code. Then why the hell we should use WordPress? Now I'm the person who made more than 300 websites with my team, and we have made a lot of money using WordPress. We are still working on WordPress. We created a plugin called WSP MCP to connect the AI agents with WordPress, but creating a content website on WordPress for a technical team like us does not make sense anymore. So we are moving to Astro, and this is part 1 of the video. I'm gonna create more video because we are making it headless. So on the front end, it will be Astro, and on the back end, it will pull the blog post from the WordPress dashboard because my content team needs an easy way to add blog posts. So they can just add the blog post because we add 3 to 4 blog posts every single week, and they can just go to the WordPress dashboard, which will not be accessible to the public. It will directly publish the post in the Astro website. And I think it does make sense. Let me know in the comments below if any of you guys are questioning choice to go with the WordPress, because it does not make sense to me anymore. Even for the small business website, now we can just make a static HTML website and we can prompt to make the changes. I recently shipped one of the AI generated website for my client. He was in a hurry and he wanted a landing page, and we built that landing page in 1 hour, which was very good looking and was a very nice layout, and it would take hours if we would build that in WordPress or if we would do that manually. So AI is changing everything, and I think it's the right move. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that I should not move to Astro or I should move to Astro, Or does it make sense to be in WordPress? We'll still be working with the WordPress. If any of our clients need help with the WordPress, let us know in the comments below or contact us via the link in the description. And I think that's it for the video. I'll create another video related to the moving of our WordPress website to Astro. Thank you.